Hi, we're the Progress Coaches. Our role is to support you with your academic studies, plus anything else going on that might affect your time at college. You'll have weekly group sessions with your Progress Coach, where we'll cover topics such as study skills, life skills, how to get organized, how to stay on track. And another part of our role is to prepare you for your next steps, so whether that's employment, an apprenticeship, or university. As well as group sessions, you'll also have regular one-to-one conversations with your progress coach, where we set some targets, we'll help you with whatever it is that you're struggling with at the time. We're also available at the end of the phone should you need us during the college day. Ultimately, our aim is to help you achieve the best that you can and make the most out of your time here at college. So good luck, and we can't wait to meet you.